But I don't trust me, so. Alright. Hey, Mackenzie.
Hey.
Joel, I didn't say hello to you.
Hey, Christian.
Are we ready to do this then?
Yep.
Alrighty. So 1's true, 2's true, 3 is true as well. In an ANOVA hypothesis test, you reject HO when there's sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others.
Yes.
Okay.
And 4 says what requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test. So sample done in true evidences are found true. Wouldn't it just be that they're normally distributed?
Yeah, because none of the other ones are. The variance one, they're trying to trick us, but they don't have to be equal, so.
Don't they have to be positive then?
They do have to be positive, yeah.
Would it be A then?
But I know the data in each group are normally distributed.
What do you guys think?
Oh, no. Sample means don't have to be positive.
Okay.
It's something else that has to be positive. What is it that has to be? Is it the F value that has to be positive?
I think so.
Yeah.
So I think it's data in each group are normally distributed.
Okay.
5 says. Oh, go ahead.
I was just gonna say 5 says to check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. And I said construct a histogram.
I think it's construct a QQ plot for each group. That's what they do in the homework.
Yeah. Okay.
What do you guys think, Joel, Mackenzie?
I think it's QQ plot, 'cause I remember like you have to make sure like the data's like on the line or whatever.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with Joel, what he said.
Number 6 says we assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. What? The sample variance for each group is smaller than the sample mean. The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. The largest sample mean is less than 2 times the smallest sample mean. Each group has the same sample size. That's the second one, right? The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Number 7 says ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, then there are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. How many pairs would there be if there were 4 samples? I said 6.
Yep.
I don't know. Did you just write it out, or how'd you do that?
I just wrote it out. So you
Okay.
have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and then you have
2, 3,
2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4.
4. Yeah, so 6.
Yeah, I think you're right. All right.
Okay. Now to the fun questions.
Yeah.
No, let's not. Give me a second to run it. I like this particular homework assignment. Everything was straightforward. It wasn't super long. It made sense.
Yeah.
I get the feeling that different teachers write different assignments, but I think this teacher should have just written all of this. Because you get one and you're like, who wrote this? It's so confusing.
Yeah.
What was this file called again?
It's called the soccer shoes data.
Oh, yeah. All right. What am I looking for?
So what you want to do is you want to do an ANOVA of the regular, like of all of the groups, and then that p-value should come out to 0.81. And then what you want to do is you want to go in and remove the socks, and then the data that pertains to those ones, and then see what the new p-value is.
Okay.
And you should get 0.309.
All right. So first I do an automatic recode like normal.
Yeah.
And then I do, oh shoot. It's so sad you can forget this in a few hours how you did it. Oh, crap.
You hear my gas incident yesterday? Get in the car and at school and parked the song. Kevin like knocks on my window when he gets there because it's warmer in the car than in the school. He's like, Kevin, I'm out of gas. There's no gas. I'm never gonna get out of the parking lot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like, baby, Mark,
Okay, so I'm supposed to get 0.081.
Mhm.
I got that. So now you're saying do it just on the...
A through E.
Just A through E.
Mhm.
How do you do it?
So what I literally did is I went in and deleted all the information for like the socks and then the data that pertains to that.
Okay. And then did you do another automatic recode all over again?
No. I just deleted the number 6 from the recode list too. And then I did a new NOVA test.
Oh.
So hopefully that gets the right answer.
Okay. How did you remove the 6 from the recode list?
You just delete it. That's what I did.
Where? Oh, you just mean on the...
Mhm.
Okay.
So I got 0.309.
That's what I got.
Yep.
Oh, you got Darby?
Yeah.
Just for kicks, I'm going to run it again.
Okay.
I run another automatic recode without it just to see what happens.
Okay.
That's okay. Almost done. .309.
Yep.
Yep.
Alrighty. Is that what you got, Mackenzie?
Yep.
Cool.
And then, so number 9, it says the p-values always go up when only one group is removed compared to the p-values when all 6 samples are included. So what you really have to do is you have to go through and delete one sample group from each one. And I already did all that, so I said it was false because it would go up or down. Some were smaller, some were bigger.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm trying to remember what it actually stands for, but I don't remember. So,
And then if you're trusting enough, I also have the answer for number 10.
Okay.
I got 0.448.
0.448.
Yeah, 448.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of computing.
Yeah, it took me about 20 minutes to compute them all.
do you always do the quizzes before we get on?
Just this one.
Yeah,
I thought I would just like start. I would just like look at it because I just had some time to kill, and glad I did because it took me forever for those couple answers.
Yeah. Well, I don't really want to do all the math, so I'm debating just trusting you. I'm definitely trusting you on 9.
But maybe not 10.
But if I trust you on 9, then I have to trust you on 10.
That's true.
I would say I can point you towards the one that you want to.
But,
Let's see. It was. So if you delete sample C, then you should get 0.448.
Alright. Well, I'll
So
try
now-
that. If that works, then I'm just going to call it good.
Okay, then Darby, explain to me, how do you do 11 and 12?
I didn't get to those ones.
Oh, okay, got it.
Good thing I have Dr. Pepper to help me with this assignment.
Yeah, I was a little confused on like the variances, so.
So you said take out C?
Yeah.
Alright.
Business must be good. Well, you know, it has improved worse. Yeah. I'll bet. You can say that. Well, you know what? You can just sit back and relax. I got this all covered. Spanish wine? How thoughtful are we? Oh, no. Okay. Sure.
Are you watching Hitch?
I don't know. Maybe.
That movie sounds like Hitch to me.
Yeah, I'm not the one watching it, so.
Alright. I'm almost done with this. Yeah, I got .448.
Okay.
So I'll trust you. But if you're wrong, you're fired.
Okay. I won't go ahead on the quizzes anymore.
But if you're right, we can continue to do it.
There's a double standard for you.
Yeah, so I was a little confused on like how to get the variances or where to look to get the variances. So I didn't answer those ones.
Alright. I know how to do it. I think. I'm just opening it up again because I don't want to try to. I got rid of those data values, so. You just go into Analyze, and you just run a normal ANOVA test, and it should work.
Maybe I would if you weren't snarling.
Yeah.
Mackenzie is definitely watching Hitch.
No, I'm not.
Well, somebody is. I can hear it in the background.
That was probably mine.
Is that you?
Maybe.
Somebody is watching Hitch.
Sorry.
No.
I don't mind. It's a great movie. I think I lied. You have to go into Explore to do it?
Yeah, like I said, I didn't know how to answer these ones.
Nope, not Explore. I think it is a one-way NOVA. You just have to go into Options and make sure you hit Descriptive. And then the variance is the standard deviation squared. So if I run all of them and you do the ANOVA test, you should get standard deviation for A should be 5.23, B should be 5.43. Are you seeing that?
5.23, 5.43, 5.21, 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I got them.
And the variance is those squared.
We got
Okay.
the smallest one then.
Right, so the smallest one would be,
Squared.
right, it'd be 5.216.
5.216 squared. Of course, I didn't bring my calculator over.
On the computer, I'm getting 27.678.
What?
That can't be right. Hold on.
No, I got 27 point. Wait.
Oh, no, it can be right. 27.678.
I got 27.206.
Dang it, Joel. You did 5.216
Yeah.
times 5.216.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it, Christian. This
So
time I got 27.207.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So then the largest one is going to be 7.291.
Yeah.
53.159.
53.159.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
We're positive that's the right way, right?
No, not positive about anything. Right? The test for equivariance is satisfied for the. That would be true because 53 is less than 4 times 1.
Mhm.
The true for 13.
Yeah.
13, yeah.
And then 14 says construct a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples. Each of the samples are approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plots.
I remember you have to do this one in Explore. What truth kicked you in the.
Let's see, when I do the QQ plots, it gives me like 5 of them.
It should, yeah. It should give you 6 of them.
Okay.
A looks good. B looks goodish. C looks good. D
So they
looks
all,
good. E looks good. They all look more or less normal to me. What do you guys think?
yeah, they look normal to me too.
Okay. So 14 would be true.
Okay, and then 15 says the test statistic for an ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. Is the p-value to the area of the right or the left of the F statistic?
Right. Is it not?
I don't remember that part from the reading.
I'm fairly sure it's to the right, but I'll go in and look in the reading real quick.
Oh, wait, I know this one. The right.
To the right?
The value of the area to the right.
Good enough for me.
Okay, ready to submit?
Wait, are we submitting?
I did. We got number 4 wrong.
Yep. Quick, Joel, change it. Just kidding. Oh, that's not honest. Don't do that.
I almost. No, I'm just kidding. I almost didn't. But. Darn.
And I actually had B and C put on there before you guys made me switch.
What? Why didn't you state your case?
I didn't even. I'm like, I wasn't sure because, like I
Okay.
said, I don't remember anything about the variances in the reading, so I was like, I don't know.
Wait, I got number 12 wrong.
What? What'd you put?
53.519.
It's 159.
Ah, dang it. I'm dyslexic. But I'm not. That's the worst part.
No.
I don't need any more B's on this. On these tests. Shoot. Okay, so 4 sample means are all positive.
I didn't know that.
I swear that wasn't in the reading.
And the variants are equal in each group.
Apparently, they're considered equal if the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. That's what I got on another question, which I didn't know that, but
Good to know.
but I still am confused about sample means being positive.
Agreed.
Does anyone know anything about that from the reading?
Nope.
All right, well.
So Thursday at 7:30
Okay.
a.m. Or
Yep.
was it 8? Or what time did we decide?
Well,
Last Hey, I don't care. What do you guys want to do?
but this one, do you think it's going to be longer? Because it's the review one.
Oh yeah, it's probably gonna be really long.
But I mean, it still works. Then we just have to finish in like 40 minutes.
Well, do we want to do 7:30 then?
Do you guys know how long the other one took us? I feel like it was a long time.
I think it was
Well,
almost.
when I watched the video, it was almost like 50 minutes.
Was it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we probably should do 7:30 just to be safe then.
Okay. I might be late, but I'll be
Okay.
there eventually.
Okay.
Sweet.
All right. See you guys on Thursday.
See ya.
Okay, bye.